Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 92. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 5, 8. 8 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 5, 6. 5 and 6 here, so 1, 9. 4 and 6 here, so 1, 9. 9 here, so 1, 4, 6. If we look at that row now, the only place the 5 can be is here, and the only place the 4 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 5, 8, 4. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. And we must have a mistake here. Okay, this wasn't 1, 4, 5, and 6. This was 1, 5, 6, and 9. So this should have been 1, 5, 6, which means that the only, nope, doesn't mean that at all. So that could be 1, 5, or 6, and this could be 5 or 6. We're just gonna have to keep track of that. And that means that this can still be 4, 5. This one can be 5, 8. And this one can be 4, 8. All right, we're making a mess, but we'll get through it one way or another, huh? All right, so for this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is 1, 4, 5 here, so 1, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. Got the 1 here and the 9 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, 8 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 2, 5, and 9 here, so this is our 8. Five covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. But that 8 makes this our 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 1. And that 8 makes this our 5. Get rid of this 1 and this 1. For this box now, we're missing a 4. So this is our 4. That 1 and 4 makes this our 6, 5. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 now. No, that's not right. We may have messed this one up, guys. Yeah, we're missing a 5 for this row now, but we've got a 5 here. All right, if you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. But that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.